Tucson Adv Fest is a rally that is in South Dakota. It is in some of the best off-road riding in the country, which is the Black Hills. Everybody said the riding up here was awesome, and I came out here, and this is by far my favorite ADV rally that there is in the country. It's very chill. This isn't your typical motorcycle rally where it's a total party scene. It's not that at all. In fact, I feel like everybody kind of goes to bed at 10 o'clock at night and wakes up early so they can go ride, and that's what I think this should really all be about.
We're this big group of people that just love riding, love being outdoors. We're all just hanging out, riding some sick trails. Black Hills has some of the most amazing trails. The adventure riders are some of the most genuine, helpful, patient people I've ever met in my entire life. They're always down to give you tips, tricks, help you out if your bike is having issues, if you're having issues, and I'm just so grateful to be a part of it.
So see you next year.